Have you ever felt lost when someone uses the phrase from the ground up? As an English learner, it can be confusing to understand the true meaning behind common idioms. Let me share a funny story that shows how easy it is to misunderstand this idiom. Imagine a new employee at a construction site, eager to prove their skills. They hear the boss say, "We need to rebuild this project from the ground up." Excited, the employee grabs a shovel and starts digging a hole, thinking they need to literally start from the ground level. Needless to say, the boss was quite surprised and had to explain the real meaning of the idiom. So, what does from the ground up actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to building or creating something completely new, starting from the very beginning. Imagine a company that decides to launch a new product. They would need to develop the product concept, design the features, and build the manufacturing process all from the ground up. No part of the process is skipped or taken for granted. Here are some examples of how you can use from the ground up in different contexts. In a casual conversation, "I'm renovating my house from the ground up." In a formal setting, the team is rebuilding the company's IT infrastructure from the ground up. In a negative context, the project failed because they didn't build it from the ground up. In a humorous context, "I'm going to learn how to bake a cake from the ground up." Starting with growing the wheat. In a literary context, she constructed her novel from the ground up, crafting each character and plot point meticulously. In a business setting, our new marketing strategy will be developed from the ground up to better serve our target audience. On social media, "I'm starting my own online business from the ground up. Wish me luck." To help you remember the meaning of from the ground up, think of a building being constructed. The foundation is laid first, and then the entire structure is built up from there, layer by layer. While its exact origins are debated, from the ground up is strongly associated with the construction industry, likely referencing the process of laying a foundation before building upwards. It reflects the value placed on thorough, comprehensive work in many cultures, ensuring a strong foundation for any endeavor. Over time, the usage of this idiom has expanded beyond construction, becoming a common expression in various contexts to convey the idea of starting from scratch and building something completely new. Some similar idioms to from the ground up include from scratch and from the bottom up. Opposite expressions would be from the top down. Related idioms might include brick by brick or step by step, which also convey the idea of building something methodically. For example, I could say, "I'm building my new business from the ground up." Or I could rephrase it as, "I'm starting my new business completely from the beginning." I once heard a great story about a small startup that was struggling to gain traction in the market. They decided to rebuild their entire product from the ground up, taking the time to truly understand their customers' needs. This attention to detail and comprehensive approach paid off, as the revamped product became a huge success. One common mistake is using from the ground up incorrectly with the preposition on. For example, "They built the house on from the ground up." The correct usage is simply "they built the house from the ground up." Another mistake is thinking the idiom refers to literally starting from the Earth's surface, when it actually means starting a project completely new, without any pre-existing foundation. Let's test your understanding of from the ground up with a few questions. 1. What does the idiom from the ground up mean? A. Literally starting from the Earth's surface. B. Building something completely new, starting from the beginning. C. Constructing a multi-story building. D. Repairing an existing structure. 2. Which of these expressions is synonymous with from the ground up? A. From the top down. B. From scratch. C. Step by step. D. Brick by brick. In summary, the idiom from the ground up is a valuable tool for English learners to master. It conveys the idea of building or creating something completely new, without relying on any pre-existing foundation or structure. Understanding this idiom can help you communicate more effectively in a variety of contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom from the ground up in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful idiom lessons. Happy learning!